Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, we will be discussing the crime of conspiracy and proposal to commit coup d'etat, rebellion, or insurrection. Conspiracy and proposal to commit coup d'etat, rebellion, or insurrection. These crimes are governed by Article 136 of the Revised Penal Code. Under Article 136, there are 4 crimes being punished. First, conspiracy to commit coup d'etat. Second, proposal to commit coup d'etat. Third, conspiracy to commit rebellion or insurrection. And fourth, proposal to commit rebellion or insurrection. Please take note that we have already discussed the crimes of coup d'etat and rebellion or insurrection. To better understand this topic in this video, please watch them first. We will no longer discuss what is coup d'etat and rebellion here. I will put the link of the videos on the description box down below. Now let us discuss each crime. First crime, conspiracy to commit coup d'etat. There is conspiracy to commit coup d'etat when 2 or more persons belonging to the military or police or holding any public office or employment come to an agreement to seize or diminish state power through a swift attack accompanied by violence, intimidation, threat, strategy, or stealth against duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines or any military camp or installation, communication networks, public utilities, or other facilities needed for the exercise and continued possession of power and decide to commit it. Sa conspiracy to commit coup d'etat, 2 o higit pang miyembro ng military o pulis o kawani ng pamahalaan ang nag-usap-usap at napagkasunduang gawin ang krimeng coup d'etat. Isang element ng conspiracy ay dapat sumang-ayon sila sa plano o kasunduan. Ang pagplano o pagkakasundo pa lang po ng paggawa ng krimeng coup d'etat ay pinaparusahan na po ng krimeng conspiracy to commit coup d'etat. Agreement pa lang po yan ay may liability ka na. Pag ginawa na yung krimen, based sa kasunduan nila, ang crime na nakomit ay hindi na po conspiracy to commit coup d'etat, kundi coup d'etat na mismo under 134 at hindi na po under 136. Next, second crime, proposal to commit coup d'etat. There is proposal to commit coup d'etat when the person belonging to the military or police or holding any public office or employment who has decided to seize or diminish state power through a swift attack accompanied by violence, intimidation, threat, strategy, or stealth against duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines or any military camp or installation, communication networks, public utilities, or other facilities needed for the exercise and continued possession of power proposes its execution to some other person or persons. Dito naman, may miyembro ng military o police o kawani ng pamahalaan na nag-decide gawin ang krimeng coup d'etat, kaso iminungkahi niya ang paggawa nito sa iba. Ang pinaparusahan po dito ay ang pagmumungkahi o pagpropose. Kahit po tinanggihan ng mga taong pinagproposan mo yung alok mo, liable ka na po sa proposal to commit coup d'etat. Kapag naman po inaccept o tinanggap ng mga taong ito ang proposal mo, hindi na po proposal to commit coup d'etat ang liability, kundi liable na po silang lahat sa crime na conspiracy to commit coup d'etat. So pag nag-agree na po kasi yung mga kausap mo, parang nag-conspire na po kayo. Kapag naman after nilang tanggapin ang alok, ginawa na nila yung krimen na coup d'etat, hindi na po proposal or conspiracy to commit coup d'etat ang liability nila, kundi po coup d'etat na mismo. Next, third crime, conspiracy to commit rebellion. There is conspiracy to commit rebellion when 2 or more persons come to an agreement to rise publicly and take arms against the government for any of the purposes of rebellion and decide to commit it. Ito ay parehas po sa conspiracy to commit coup d'etat. Ang pinagkaiba lang po, ang krimen na ginawa dito ay rebellion at hindi kudeta. Sa conspiracy to commit kudeta, 2 o higit pang tao ang nagkasundo upang gawin ang krimeng rebellion. Ang pagkakasundo pa lang nila ay liable na po sila sa conspiracy to commit rebellion. Kahit hindi po nila ginawa ang krimen, liable na po sila dito. Kapag naman po ginawa nila yung krimen, hindi na po conspiracy to commit rebellion ang crime na ginawa nila, kundi rebellion na po mismo. Next, fourth crime, proposal to commit rebellion. There is proposal to commit rebellion when the person who has decided to rise publicly and take arms against the government for any of the purposes of rebellion proposes its execution to some other person or persons. Dito naman, same rule din po tayo sa proposal to commit kudeta. Ang pinagkaiba lang ulit po ay iyong krimeng ginawa. Dito po sa pang-apat, rebellion po ang ginawa at hindi kudeta. Dito sa crime na ito, may taong gustong gawin ang krimeng rebellion, ngunit inalok niya ang paggawa nito sa iba. Dito pa lang po sa pagpropose niya, liable na po siya sa proposal to commit rebellion. Kapag tinanggap po ng mga taong pinagproposan niya, hindi na po proposal ang liability kundi conspiracy to commit rebellion. Kapag naman after nilang tanggapin ang proposal at nag-decide ng gawin ito at ginawa nga nila, hindi na po proposal o conspiracy to commit rebellion ang krimen, kundi rebellion na po mismo. That's all for this topic. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.